Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Duolingo and signing in. That ensures the app knows who you are. Once logged in, tap your profile icon and go to Settings or Manage Courses so you can add a new path. Make sure your existing course progress is saved. Duolingo usually syncs automatically, but check for confirmation. Now that prerequisites are met, select Add a Course or find a new language. This begins the process of choosing the next language you want to study. Now choose the language you want, scroll or use the search box to find it quickly. Once selected, decide whether to start from the beginning or take the placement test. Testing saves time if you know some basics. Make sure you pick the correct home language pairing so instructions and tips are clear. Then set your daily goal and enable notifications. This increases consistency. If you're on mobile, confirm the course appears on your home screen so you can access it instantly. Begin the first lesson or a placement exercise to finalize the course edition. This locks settings and creates your progress path. If you don't see the language, make sure your app is updated and that the course isn't restricted in your country or only available on web versus mobile. Once done, sync and check the course appears in your course list. If it still fails, restart the app, clear cache, and contact Duolingo support with screenshots. This usually resolves stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.